Elephant and the Fly. There once was an elephant living in a forest. When summer came, his skin became very itchy. To make things worse, the flies came to bother him. He used his long tail, ears, and even his trunk to swat at them. But there was a spot on his back that he could not reach. One day, a fly was on the elephant again, licking the salt off him. It was a spot that the elephant could reach. Just as the elephant prepared to kill the fly with his tail, he had an idea. He said, "Fly, I could kill you with my tail right now, but if you scratch my back where I can't reach, I will let you sit on me and eat all the salt you want." The fly buzzed. Sure! It flew to the top of the elephant's back and started working. The elephant smiled when his itch was finally scratched. And he learned an important lesson. Sometimes, if we try, the worst of enemies can become the best of friends.